Have mercy on me, sinner.
Ah, Danner, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I'm feeling a little bit weird.
What?
Hang on. Hick,
This isn't right.
hick.
We got the hiccups!
Heck.
You got the hiccups. But I know how to cure you. Turn upside down.
Okay. Huh, what can I say except it worked?
Oh man, didn't work.
Okay, drink this water upside down.
Hold on, it sounds cold.
What a great day to go out and spend the day. Ow. Oh, it's just a blueberry. Wow. It juicy. Huh. Something wrong with my face.
Bum, bum, bum!
Oh no. What's happening to me? 12. What happened to you? You're so huge.
I ate a blueberry. What? Me and Ted had that. Is something wrong with me again? Yes? Oh no. Not this again.
What? Your blueberries. Don't worry. I will help you. No, not me. Help at us. Don't tell me you're all blueberries. Oh no, I'm berry.
Today's gonna be a good...
It's Dylan Block who inflated everyone into blueberries. He invented them.
Dylan's got feelings.
Gulp. Hello. I'm not going to eat this berry now. I'm blue now. Oh no.
Bum, bum, bum!
Lucky. I have blue hair.
7, you're blue now.
That's a beautiful day. Ow! Oh god, oh
I scratch that. Dylan, if you are the last one standing, you win Little Big Planet 4.
Cool! A blueberry! Aww! Oh. Rocket Bronsky, you shouldn't need that.
What do you mean?
I mean, you blow like a balloon.
Nothing's bad gonna happen to me. Guys, look!
Dude, you're just turning blue.